Hello friends, welcome to the new video, The Magnet Trade with CPR. In this video, we will discuss about the how the CPR acts as a magnet when there is a gap up or gap down. In this video, we will discuss in both Hindi and English because some viewers ask for Hindi. For that, in this video we will discuss in English, that is with both Hindi and English. Let's start the detailed strategy of the magnet trade. One of my favorite trading days occurs when the market gaps at the open of the session. When this occurs, I am able to use the pivot to either trade a potential back away move or fed the market for a fill of the gap. In either case, a gap at the open indicates that market sentiment has changed overnight and the market is poised to move in the current session. I have discussed many methods in previous videos. I will discuss how the central pivot range can have an amazing magnetic effect on price that can lead to a high percentage fill of the morning gap. हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम एक नया वीडियो बना रहे हैं द मैग्नेट ट्रेड इन विथ सीपीआर के थ्रू मैग्नेट ट्रेड कैसे होता है। मैग्नेट ट्रेड होता है जब एक गैप अप और गैप डाउन होता है। गैप अप गैप डाउन के टाइम मॉर्निंग टाइम में हम मैग्नेट ट्रेड लेते हैं। तो मैग्नेट ट्रेड क्या होता है, तो प्राइस को अट्रैक्ट करता है। वी विल सी डिटेल। द सेंट्रल पिवट रेंज इज द इक्विलिब्रियम ऑफ द मार्केट। सेंट्रल पिवट एक इक्विलिब्रियम की तरह काम करता है। As such, it can have an amazing gravitational pull on price, which becomes much more apparent on days when the market gaps at the open of the session. जब मार्केट गैप अप होता है या गैप डाउन होता है तब ये सिचुएशन बनता है। If price opens the day with a gap and the central shall back near the period is close, you typically see a fill of the gap a high percentage of the time. Given the right circumstance, this is called as the magnet trade, since the central attracts the price, causing a fill of the gap. It is one of my favorite day in the market because I get to play a trade with a history of high percentage wins while making quick money, usually within the first 30 to 60 minutes of the day. जब प्राइस गैप अप खुलता है या गैप डाउन खुलता है, हाई परसेंटेज ऑफ टाइम क्या करता है, और जो पिवट है प्रीवियस डे का क्लोज नियर अबाउट होना चाहिए। टुडे का पिवट प्रीवियस डे का क्लोज के आसपास होना चाहिए। तब एंड गैप अप होना चाहिए और गैप डाउन होना चाहिए। जब गैप अप होता है तो हाई परसेंटेज ऑफ टाइम, मेनी टाइम्स इट विल अट्रैक्ट द प्राइस, मीन्स इट विल फिल द गैप इफ बोथ इन गैप डाउन एंड गैप अप। एंड ये जो है फास्ट 30 टू 60 मिनट्स टाइम पे होता है। मार्केट ओपन होने का फास्ट 30 टू 60 मिनट्स में हो जाता है। लेट्स वी विल सी विथ द चार्ट इन डिटेल्स। Let us take a look at the Nifty chart on 23rd November. A perfect magnet trade in a 5-minute time frame. ये है निफ्टी का चार्ट ऑफ 23 नवंबर का। ये परफेक्ट मैग्नेट ट्रेड के लिए फिट है। चेक हियर, निफ्टी ओपन विथ गैप अप। Nifty opened the daily with gap up and formed a bearish candle in the first 5-minute bar of the day since the CPR was near the periodic close. There was a high probability that they would have a magnetic effect on the price. The bearish reversal setup easily triggered on entry this day as price dropped steadily to the central pivot range before finding the support. With the magnet trade, the pivot range becomes the target as any of the three lines can be used as your exit. See, ये गैप अप में ओपन हुआ है, ये CPR है और CPR का प्रीवियस डे क्लोज ऑल्सो नियर द CPR। प्रीवियस डे क्लोज CPR का नज़दीक है और ये गैप अप में ओपन हुआ है। तो गैप अप में ओपन हुआ है तो ये एक बियरिश कैंडल, पहला 5 मिनट कैंडल बियरिश है। देन द एंट्री शुड बी हियर। वेयर इज द एंट्री? द एंट्री शुड बी इन दिस कैंडल। ओके, हियर एंट्री इज हियर। And the stop loss should be above this first candle. Okay, here is the stop loss, entry is here and target to the CPR. Here is the target. The CPR is the target, any of the 3 point, that is the BC, bottom CPR or central CPR or top CPR. That is the end target should be here. Here is the top CPR. Okay, this entire line is your target. This is the target. Okay, see, it is the trade, how many it is on. If you are taking 920, then your target will fill up at 1010. This is worked for first 1 hour, happen to 1 hour, it is becomes steadily come, बहुत तेजी से नीचे आया। ये सबसे बेस्ट ट्रेड है। रिमेंबर वन थिंग, द CPR इज रीच्ड 63% of time at the some point during the day. When the market gaps at the open, the trade inherently has a 63% chance of being a winner. क्या होता है, CPR को प्राइस आने का, टच करने का 63% चांस रहता है एक दिन में। We can see another case that is on another gap up gap down. This is the 25th November. You see, in this the price open with a gap up and the previous day close also near to the CPR. Okay, price open with a gap up and the first candle is a bearish candle. See here. Then your entry should be here. The second candle entry here. Here your entry and the stop loss should be above the first candle. Okay, the strategy is your stop loss should be above the first candle. Okay, entry should be the next candle and target to the CPR, that is when the first touch to the CPR level, this is the first touch, this is your target. See, your target is here. This is the target. Okay, this is a very good trade for anyone. When you take it is your 9:20 and then in 10:25 your trade is complete. It is within 1 hour. Okay, your trade will complete. ये सबसे अच्छा स्ट्रेटेजी है, गैप अप स्ट्रेटेजी, and this is called the magnet trade. It is attract the magnet is the CPR attract steadily the price come below. While this trade is best served simple, there are a few additional tips that can help make this trade even more powerful and profitable. For instance, trading the right size gaps greatly increase the success rate of the setup. Gap up that are too large don't tend to fill as easily as those that are moderate in size. Stick to the gaps that have a fighting chance to fill, and the pivot range will help to do the rest. Secondly, pivot range placement should be at or very near to the periodic closing price. इसमें क्या है, ये जो गैप है मॉडरेट होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा हाई गैप होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा बड़ा गैप होगा तो ये ऊपर ऊपर जाएगा, मॉडरेट गैप होना चाहिए या थोड़ा कम गैप होना चाहिए, तो ये अच्छी तरह से काम करता है ये मैग्नेट ट्रेड. सी here also gap, but the gap is very big here. Okay, then it is go price up. Also see another day gap up also very high and it will go up. See, this is very big gap up here and here. This is very big gap up and it will go up and up. Okay, you have to remember this. And another thing, the price should be nearer to the previous day close price should be nearer to the CPR. Okay, we have to go to that one, that is 23 September, this one. Okay, you check that the price should be, the closing price should be nearer to the CPR. This is the previous day close and it is nearer to the CPR, then it will work very well. Okay, here also the price is, the closing price is nearer to the CPR and it will work very well, the magnet trade is work very well. In this is a very good trade strategy. You have to first back test and then apply to your trade. When this is the case, the pivot range helps attract price to fill the gap. If the range is too close to price, however, it could hinder the market's ability to fill the gap. Also, you must remember that the goal of the trade is to play for a fade of the gap back towards the central pivot range, which means the trade will usually be a short and sweet. If you can get a little more out of the trade, then go for it, but don't wait all the day for a gap to fill, because the longer the trade takes, the more unlikely it is to fill. Remember, pigs get fat and hogs get slaughtered. Some trades are meant to go for the gold, while others are meant to go for golden nuggets. The more nuggets you collect, the bigger your pot of gold. इसमें इसमें क्या है, आपको जब ये एंट्री गैप अप फिल के लिए ज़्यादा देर आपको रुकना नहीं है। आपको 1 घंटे में फिल हो जाता ठीक है, नहीं तो आपको ज़्यादा देर तक रुकोगे तो वो फिल होता ही नहीं है, वो ऊपर ऊपर चला जाता है। ये स्टॉप लॉस शुड बी मस्ट, you have to provide stop loss here, and your entry should be the second candle and your target to the target CPR को होना चाहिए। CPR का मतलब टॉप CPR होना चाहिए इन केस ऑफ गैप अप। गैप फिल होने के लिए आप दिन भर ऐसे वेट नहीं करना चाहिए। आप पहले 1 घंटे में गैप फिल हुआ तो हुआ, नहीं तो आप एग्जिट हो जाओ। The trend can also play an important factor in the successful outcome of a magnet trade. As you recall from earlier videos, you can find when a market has formed an established trend, price will usually pull back to the pivot range before resuming in the direction of the trend. Therefore, if the market has formed an uptrend and price gaps in the direction of the trend up, there is a very good chance that price will drop to the pivot range before another round of buying pressure is seen, thereby causing a fill of the gap. This market's behavior aligns perfectly with the essence of the magnet trade. इसका ये मीनिंग होता है, मार्केट का बिहेवियर ऐसा रहता है कि व्हेन प्राइस ओपन अप ए गैप अप एंड प्राइस मूव अप, देयर इज ए पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ ए पुल बैक टू द CPR. इट्स वेरी सेंस मीन्स द प्रोबेबिलिटी, हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी इज दैट देयर विल बी ए पुल बैक टू द CPR. This is the gap up, and this is the magnet trade, that when it is gap up and when the closing, previous day closing is nearer to the CPR, then it is high probability that there should be a pullback to the CPR. This is called the magnet trade. दोस्तों, आप ये समझ पाए होंगे ये मैग्नेट ट्रेड के बारे में। This is for the today's video. Please subscribe to my channel. मेरा चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड बेल बटन को प्रेस कीजिए फॉर सच वीडियोज, ऐसे अच्छे स्ट्रेटेजी के लिए और मार्केट के बारे में जानकारी के लिए और ट्रिक्स के लिए आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए, मेरा वीडियोज को शेयर कीजिए। Thank you guys. Bye.